Virgin Galactic recently launched its fourth commercial suborbital flight into space, where the passengers got to experience weightlessness for about a minute. A minute, and they paid $450,000 for the privilege?
Are you shitting me?
My thoughts exactly. Well, actually, some of these astronauts bought into Richard Branson's expensive thrill ride many years ago at a reduced price of $200,000. But supposedly, today if you bought a ticket, it would cost you $450,000. Wow! I mean, would you pay $450,000 to get high for an hour and experience weightlessness for a minute? A good joint or a weight loss pill would be cheaper. But there is an alternative, and I'll tell you what it is, but first, please smash the subscribe button and click on like, and that won't cost you anything. So enter Zero-G, a Florida-based company that for 19 years has been using a specially modified Boeing 727 that flies in parabolic arcs from around 24,000 feet to 32,000 feet and back again to create a weightless environment. Now, they fly from multiple airports around the country, including Seattle's Boeing Field, Kennedy Space Center, Las Vegas, Long Beach, California, and other locations. The experience lasts about 90 to 100 minutes, during which time the 727 flies through 15 of the arcs, creating 20 to 30 seconds of weightlessness each time, such that you actually experience 6 to 7 minutes of weightlessness instead of just 1 minute. And the cost? Instead of $450,000, how about just over $9,000? The price includes a pre-flight meal, a flight suit that you get to keep, other merch, and photos and videos of your experience. Who has experienced Zero-G? Well, how about the likes of YouTuber Logan Paul, supermodel Kate Upton, skateboarder Tony Hawk, the Pixelbook Go, Buzz Aldrin, and even Stephen Hawking. So if you're 8 years of age or older, next time you want to get high and weightless, try Zero-G. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to keep up on tech and track every space launch.